In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install ChatGPT on Windows. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you like. Once you have it open, go ahead and type in ChatGPT download into the search bar. You should see a list of links pop up. Choosing the right link is important. Look for the official site. A quick way to ensure you're on the right track is to visit the official ChatGPT website at chatgpt.com. Once you're on the home page, look around for the download option. It will typically be prominent, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding it. Next, you'll want to click on Download ChatGPT. This will direct you to the page where you can choose the version that's right for you. Since we're installing it on Windows, go ahead and look for the Windows option. If you're on the right page, you should see a clear button that says Windows. Click on that, and the download will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments. Now, once the download is complete, head to your Downloads folder or wherever your downloads are saved. You should see an installer file for ChatGPT. The file should typically have an .exe extension, indicating that it's an executable file. Go ahead and double-click that file to start the installation process. As the installation wizard opens, you'll see a series of prompts. Make sure to read any terms and conditions. It's essential to know what you're agreeing to. After that, click Next to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. You might be asked to choose a destination folder for the installation. The default option is usually just fine, so you can stick with that unless you have a specific location in mind. Once you've clicked through the prompts, the installation will begin. This process should take only a couple of minutes. When it's finished, you'll see a final screen that says the installation was successful. You can now close that window. Next, it's time to launch ChatGPT. You can either find the ChatGPT icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Go ahead and double-click it to open the application. And there you go. You now have ChatGPT successfully installed on your Windows PC. Once the application opens, you can start using it to chat, ask questions, or get assistance on various topics. It's as easy as that. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need help installing ChatGPT too. And of course, like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Happy chatting!